Greetings and wishes to Now Trend TV viewers. In this present corona impact situation, many countries and many states were much suffered from COVID pandemic. Mainly the origin, China and nearby countries and top COVID sufferers were much suffered from COVID pandemic. But at the same time, the rate of COVID spread is higher than the countries nearby the origin of COVID, China. But some of the countries have reduced it much. At the same side, a small country which is attached to close to China has fought successfully up to now, and it has managed and controlled the count of COVID superbly up to now. Come on, let's know about it. Nepal, a small country near China, which has the highest peak all over the world. Also, it has diverse geographic features such as fertile plains, forests, hills, and highest point on earth. It is also a multi-ethnic country and a famous tourist spot all over the world. Now let's know about the impact of COVID-19 there. However, the COVID-19 started in December 2019 in China, but Nepal resisted it up to now, January successfully. But due to fast spread, later it conceived corona counts in his country. But however, it got its first positive case in 24 January 2020 in Kathmandu. However, the first patient showed mild symptoms of COVID and later he was self-quarantined and completely recovered within January 31. Soon they established health desks at international airports and locked up their borders, especially from China and India. After that, there continued steps to prevent widespread outbreak of COVID-19 disease in their country. At the same time, the government started procuring essential supplies, equipments, medicinal requirements, and also started to upgrade their health upgradation and their health infrastructure and to spread COVID public awareness. After that, a new case confirmed at 23rd March 2020, and the next case of transmission was confirmed within the next 2 weeks, within April 4. Lockdown has been announced from that day, that is 24 March, to end up at May 18. After all, at present date, as on May 13, totally cases of 219 have been confirmed in that country, affecting totally 20 districts at 6 provinces at Nepal. However, 31 cases of them have been reported as cured completely. But however, attached to China, the origin of COVID, they have fought successfully and managed the count as less. This is due to the important step that they took at the first and started their quarantine lockdown at first and locked up their borders and established their health desk. This is the most important step taken by them. Due to this important step, they have much resisted the count much, while their nearby countries fly at a high rate of COVID pandemic spread. And this was followed by many countries in this world, and the rates have been reduced and also been higher up. The situation of this world in present COVID-19 pandemic is not stable. This is the present update as on May 13, 2020. We hope that you know something new and useful world's trending news through this video. And to be always engaged like this, don't forget to subscribe and support our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and keep supporting us.